This is Alard item Y2110, an URSCHEL GKS. This is mainly a root vegetable cutter, but it will slice pickles, cucumbers, or for example apples, which obviously apples is not a root crop. It'll cut crinkle cuts or flat cuts with straight blades. It can be used to slice leafy products, celery, tomatoes. It'll take up to a 5.5 inch diameter product in any dimension. I should say 5.5 inches in any dimension. It is crank adjustable for the slice thickness up to 3/4 of an inch. It does not it is an inertial slice shell, so it doesn't orient the product particularly. It can also slice mushrooms, for example. We have it here in stock at Alard, and this machine, as you can see, is in excellent condition. We're going to turn it on and do a little slicing just to show what it can do. So the machine runs nice and smooth. Whatever, you can, oh sorry, go ahead. And we're going to put some potatoes in and slice some taters and see how it looks. All right, Gary. And you can see we get nice, clean, consistent cuts. Potato slices, potato chips, pickle chips, whatever kinds of slices you want or need. There you are, a one-dimensional slicing machine. URSCHEL model GKS, flat cuts or crinkle cuts, in stock at Alard Equipment Company. Alard item Y2110. Here at Alard, available for immediate shipment in excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical condition. Call 315-589-4511 for your industrial food process cutting machine requirements.